Hey, what's up everyone? Today I'm diving into why Apple has decided to delay some of their highly anticipated features until 2025. Yeah, you heard it right. 2025. Buckle up because this is gonna be interesting. So if you're like me and you keep tabs on all things Apple, you probably know they're always pushing the envelope with new tech. From the latest iPhone innovations to groundbreaking software updates, Apple has a history of setting the trend. But sometimes, even the tech giant needs to hit the brakes. Alright, let's talk about these delayed features. According to a report from the Times of India, Apple's next-gen intelligence features won't roll out until 2025. The big ones? Enhanced Siri capabilities, advanced machine learning algorithms, and some seriously cool augmented reality integrations. Now why the delay? Apple is known for its "it just works" philosophy, and they don't want to release these features until they are absolutely flawless. Think of it like this. You wouldn't want a half-baked product, right? Neither does Apple. One major factor? Hardware limitations. The current chips, even the mighty M1 and M2, just aren't powerful enough to handle these advanced features efficiently. Apple's working on newer, more robust chips that can deliver the seamless experience we all expect. These new processors are expected to debut in 2025, lining up perfectly with the delayed features. Another reason? Software integration. Apple's engineering team is taking their time to ensure these new features work flawlessly with the existing ecosystem. You know how Apple is about their ecosystem. Everything needs to be perfectly in sync. So they're fine-tuning every detail to make sure there are no hiccups. And let's not forget privacy. Apple has always been a champion of user privacy, and with these new features tapping into more personal data, they need to be airtight. They're adding extra layers of security and making sure your data stays yours. But here's the thing. Good things come to those who wait. When these features do drop in 2025, they're going to be game changers. Imagine a Siri that's practically psychic, augmented reality so immersive it blurs the line with reality, and machine learning that's smarter than ever before. So yeah, the wait might be frustrating, but it's all in the name of delivering a product that's worth it. Apple's taking the time to perfect these features, so when they do arrive, they'll be nothing short of revolutionary. That's all for today. If you enjoyed this breakdown, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech insights. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.